let it be. Crazy like a bump on the train with a canopy. Rob you for your lunch at a picnic from the canopy. Running from the cops on my life, how now can you see that I'm always wrong for being born in a land of beasts disguised as the zoo? They wanna show before they shackle me. Ain't no radio, but stereotypes they wanna brain on me. Can't put hands on me, force grip on sanity till I cannot breathe. Everyone got cells in prison mind, feel I cannot leave. Pistol to my skull, pull the trigger and laugh as I bleed. Ain't no fucking joke, you want me broke before they strangle me. Can't one in front of the faculty, broadcasting traumatize the whole family. We all out here to get paid, every day, working like a slave. They say it gon' be like that till we hit the grave. Things don't never make sense, ain't never gon' change. Word up, we all out here to get paid, every day, working like a slave. They say it's gon' be like that till we hit the grave. Things don't never ever make sense, they gon' change.